Since the dawn of time, packets have travelled between applications and users. As the internet has exploded, we have more applications, more users, a growing need for more capacity, more security. What slows us down? All that packet inspection. There is, of course, a better way. The F5 Big IP. The F5 Big IP acts as a proxy, which can treat each side of the connection separately. This lets it do clever things to the data, improving customer experience and reducing server load at the same time. The F5 Big IP is modular. The first and most often used module is the local traffic manager. Commonly used to load balance in a server farm, it has much more functionality. It can do SSL offload, compression, and can handle the TCP connections out to the internet. This can reduce the load on your servers by up to 60%. The Global Traffic Manager, in contrast, is a global load balancer. It allows us to load balance between different data centers. And it's also a full DNS and DNS firewall. The Advanced Firewall Manager allows the F5 Big IP to become a fully featured data center firewall. Add the Advanced Acceleration Manager and you get an acceleration and optimization device that will improve your user's experience without blowing your budget. The Application Security Manager is a web application firewall. It provides intrusion detection and prevention, OWASP top 10 mitigation, SQL injection prevention, as well as layer 7 DDoS mitigation, all of which gives you a great way to achieve PCI compliance. What about providing access for your own users, wherever they are and whatever device they want to use? The Access Policy Manager is what you need. It provides remote access, authentication, single sign-on and cloud federation. And finally, with endpoint inspection, you can make sure the good guys can get in and the bad guys can't. So, how do you get all this goodness into your data centers? Let me introduce you to the F5 Good, Better and Best bundles. Good is the Local Traffic Manager. Better includes the Local Traffic Manager plus Global Traffic Manager, Application Acceleration Manager and the Advanced Firewall Manager. But Best includes all of that, as well as the Application Policy Manager and the Application Security Manager. F5 Big IP ensures your applications are fast, available and secure. For more information about F5 Big IP, please contact your local F5 partner.